Always purchase your items through our Amazon affiliate links below. Always purchase your items through our Amazon affiliate links below. Kaya Selfie Light Ring Lights LED Circle Light Cell Phone Laptop Camera Photography Video Lighting Clip-on Rechargeable. Rechargeable with USB cord. This ring light includes a built-in rechargeable battery, so you do not need extra batteries. Money saved and free from annoying battery replacement. Brightness adjustable. 3-level light settings for various uses: makeup, selfie photos, dark scenery, vlogging, etc. Let this ring light highlight you and darken everything behind you. Compact and lightweight. Pocket-sized and extremely compact, it will not take much space in your bag. Take it with you anywhere you go and record all happy moments in your life. Fantastic for nighttime or dark rooms. It helps enhance and brighten up your face for that perfect selfie. No more having to run around the house looking for the perfect spot in your house to take a photo or make your makeup tutorials. It will come in handy whenever you need extra light for making up, taking photos, making videos and more. TCL 10 SE Unlocked Android Smartphone, 6.52 notch display, US version cell phone with 16MP rear AI triple camera, 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM, 4000 mAh fast charging battery, polar night. About this item: large storage space and wireless carrier. The octa-core mobile processor ensures fast operation, while the 64GB internal memory gives you enough space to download and install everything you wish to have on your phone. And you can also expand up to 128GB via a micro SD card, sold separately. This cell phone is compatible with most of the GSM carriers, such as T-Mobile or AT&T, but is not compatible with CDMA carriers, such as Verizon, Sprint, Spectrum, Xfinity, etc. Enjoy an unbeatable visual experience. TCL 10 SE smartphone brings you sharp and defined visuals with X-Vision visual technology. A 6.52-inch V-notch display with a 20:9 aspect ratio and an 89% screen-to-body ratio gives you immersive and seamless visuals. Capture crisp and vivid images. Coming with a high-resolution 16MP rear AI triple camera, the unlocked smartphone allows you to take amazing photos and portraits from any angle, capturing every detail and color shade. Modern and sleek design, with a 2.5D IC front glass and a curved back, this Android phone boasts an attention-grabbing design with a matte and glossy finish that creates a holographic effect and offers a subtle shine to the entire cell phone. It's also made it fingerprint-proof and scratch-resistant. Quick charging for long-term use. Our unlocked Android phone offers a fast charging and an on-the-go reverse charging, OTG cable not included, option to help you charge your phone in no time, and features a 4000 mAh battery to use the device all day with no power issues. Motorola Edge 2021 2-day battery unlocked, made for US by Motorola, 8/256GB 108MP camera, Nebula Blue. About this item: unlocked for the freedom to choose your carrier. 5G service available with 5G plan. 5G network coverage required, available only in select areas. Compatible with T-Mobile 5G and Verizon 5G. Ready for 5G on other select networks dependent on availability. Contact your service provider for details. Compatible with all major 4G US carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. It also works with prepaid carriers, including Cricket Wireless, Metro by T-Mobile, Simple Mobile, Total Wireless, TracFone, Net10, Mint, TracFone, Boost, and H2O. 108MP Ultra High-Res camera system. Capture high-quality photos and videos with ultra-pixel technology and 4K video recording. Ultra-smooth 144Hz display. Bring everything to life in vivid color on a 6.8 HDR10 display with the fastest smartphone refresh rate. Unleash your phone with Ready For. Connect wirelessly to a TV to play mobile games, make video calls, and use your phone's apps on a big screen. 2 days of battery life. Enjoy a long-lasting 5000 mAh battery, and get hours of power in just minutes with Turbo Power 30 charging. IQ Kids Robot Pets Dinosaurs Toys for Boys and Girls, Remote Control Triceratops Dinosaurs Toy with interactive gestures, program, walking, lights and sounds electronic Dino gift for kids age 3 to 8. Cute, fun, well packaged, and functional, the kids don't always have to use the remote control and it still moves and does tricks. If you click the horn on the top beak it has 3 modes, 1, follow/remote 2, obstacle 3, treat/command. A fun RC toy dinosaur that roars, stands up, prances, dances to the beat, performs tricks, walks around the room, and more. Baby Triceratops dinosaurs designed, the kids don't scare easily or maybe they like spooky, glowing eyes. And this dino toy is sturdy and big enough to not get lost under the table or etc. More interactive than other robot toys. Always a lot of laughter when the Triceratops moves around. Lots of options, but easy to play, following the instructions, push the horn on the top beak to turn it on. Love how the dinosaur responds to hand motions, is easily programmed to do a series of moves, learn basic programming skills, and senses objects to go around. There are also 9 options by remote control. A cool interactive robotic STEM toy, smart and fun. 1.5 to 3 hours playing time, this interactive robot toy comes with a charger that plugs into the mouth. About 2 hours to fully charge. And 2 AAA bats for the remote that are not included. Ready? Then we can play with this adorable dino. It can do different tricks with a click of the remote or hand gesture. What's more, this dinosaur toy has no sharp edges, say Geek Club Robot Building Kit, and 001 Hexapod Tank, STEM Robot Kit for Kids, Educational Science Toys, DIY Robotics Set, Printed Circuit Board Engineering Toys, Build Your Own Robot Kits Gift. Robot Face Build Your Own Robot Hexapod Tank at Home, Geek Club's DIY Robotics Kit will let you build your very own robot tank from scratch. No engineering skills required. Create the ideal frontline tank for cyber warfare and win the battle. Robot Face Get the Cyberpunk and 001 Tank Robot Building Kit, Y6 Legs. RN Rugged Smartphone Unlocked, Cubit King Kong 5 Pro Android 11 Rugged Phone, 8000 mAh battery, 6.1 HD plus screen, 48 MP camera waterproof cell phone, 4GB plus 64GB, 4G dual SIM, US version, black plus orange. About this item. 8000 mAh big battery, 48 MP main camera Cubit rugged phone unlocked designs with super clearly Sony 48 MP main lens plus 25 MP front lens plus 5 MP macro lens. The 8000 mAh battery, supported 5V/3A fast charging and OTG. Android 11 rugged smartphone, waterproof drop-proof the newest OS Android 11 with an MT6762D octa-core processor, King Kong 5 Pro unlocked cell phone passed the IP68 and IP69K and MIL STD810 standards, and waterproof up to 1.5 m for 30 minutes, drop-proof up to 1.5 heights, 99% dust-proof. Dual loud stereo speakers phones, 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM. This phone unlocked comes with dual loud stereo speakers, 6.1-inch HD plus screen, 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM plus 256GB expandable, resolution 720*1560. Type-C headphone jack, size 6.53 3.20.73 inch. Waterproof Android phone unlocked, 4G dual SIM supports GPS plus GLONASS plus Baidu, dual SIM dual 4G standby, NFC support Google Pay, FM radio, Face ID, side fingerprint scanner, Bluetooth 5.0, accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetic, proximity. Sturdy structure durable phone, ATT cell phones. This rugged Android phone can work with US compatibility nationwide on most GSM networks including AT&T, T-Mobile, Metro PCS, Straight Talk, and others. Not compatible with new AT&T or Cricket activations or CDMA networks like Verizon, Sprint, and Boost Mobile. 4G frequency band. Please confirm your SIM card's frequency bands supported. 4G, FDD_1/2/3/4/5/7/8/12/13/. Moto G Power 2021 3-day battery unlocked, made for US by Motorola. 3/32GB 48MP camera, silver. About this item. Unlocked for the freedom to choose your carrier. Compatible with AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, and Verizon networks. SIM card not included. Customers may need to contact Sprint for activation on Sprint's network. To use this device on Verizon, first, provision your SIM through Verizon Wireless. Log into your account on Verizon Wireless. Devices activate or switch devices activate. Up to 3-day battery. Capture more of life without stopping to recharge thanks to a 5000 mAh battery. 48MP triple camera system. Take stunning photos in any light, as well as beautifully blurred portraits and incredibly detailed close-ups. 6.6 Max Vision HD display. Watch games, movies, and video chats come to life on an ultra-wide screen. Has a 2020 Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor, updated from the 2019 Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 in the Moto G Power 2020. Nokia 8.35G Android 10 unlocked smartphone, dual SIM, US version 8/128GB 6.81-inch screen, 64MP quad camera, polar night. About this item. Android smartphone features an amazing quad camera, 64MP plus 8MP ultra wide plus 2MP macro plus 2MP depth, with Xi cinematic effects. Android upgrades and security updates, guaranteed. High performance, long-lasting 4500 mAh battery with 8GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, and expandable memory. The Nokia 8.3 is the only 5G smartphone supporting all 5G bands through the Snapdragon 765G modular platform. This Android 5G smartphone lets you choose or change carriers and data plans, compatible with GSM carriers including T-Mobile, Cricket, and AT&T. AT&T 4G only, AT&T 5G not supported. Includes Android 5G smartphone, headset, charger, data cable, SIM pin, protective foil, gift box, quick start guide, and safety booklet.